Good morning. Annual classes welcomes you. In today's video, we are seeing that this is actually one assignment question. Assignment number 1. It is from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, JNTUH, School of Continuing and Distance Education, Certificate Course on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So this assignment question is, we need to write the Python code to store a string as a variable and then print hello world on the screen. So here one string is there. So what is that string? String is hello world. We need to store this string hello world as a variable, and then we need to go for printing this hello world. Now let us see that how we can go for writing this code. So if you are seeing this is the Spider Python 3.9. as you are knowing that this is your open source. So here first we are going for writing this. So Python code to store a string as a variable and then print hello world on the screen. So if whatever all these terms are, this it is considered as a comment. So after this hash sign, so first we are entering the hash. After hash, whatever the thing that we are writing, it is just the comment. So this will not be the part of the execution. It is only for the user to understand that what we are going to do. So the actual program, it is starting from here. Means it is not the program, it is just the code. So we are writing my string is equal to double colon hello world. So hello world, this is a string that we are storing this string as a variable, and after that we are going for print my string. So whatever we have assigned the my string, that will be executed. Here as we have assigned hello world to my string, so ideally we should get this hello world. Now let us go for executing it. So for executing it, here you see that run file, this is there. So it is green color triangle type. So when we are doing this, you see here in this console we are getting hello world. So this code is successfully executed. Next we'll go for seeing the another question and we'll try to execute it. Let us go for the second question of the first assignment. Here it is telling that you are given the first name and last name of a person on two different lines. Your task is to read them and print a string hello first name last name. You just delved into Python. So here we are having this first name and this last name. So how to execute this Python code? So for executing this Python code, let us go for your Spider and there we'll see. So in your Spider Python 3.9, first we are starting with hash. So this is the comment line, Python code to read and print a string hello first name last name. You just delved into Python. So first we are going for string first is equal to str. In a bracket we are having input, then double column we are having enter the first name. So here we are having the input. Input means the user has to enter the first name. So it will be asking that enter the first name, then the user will be entering what the first name will be, and this it will be storing as a string. Second, string last is equal to str in bracket input enter the last name. Here also it will be asking that enter the last name. So when it is asking to enter the last name, the user has to enter his last name. Okay, and that last name will be stored as a string. Then we are having print hello string first plus string last, then you just delved into Python. So here, so in the print it will be writing hello, and after that in the enter the first name, whatever the name the user has entered, that name will be coming here. So that is stored in the form of string first, that will be stored here, and the last name, it is stored as string last, so that name will be appearing here. So this string first and string last, it is user defined. So in the output will be getting hello, first name, last name. You just delved into Python. This first name and last name, it depends upon the user. The user is entering any first name and any last name. Let us go for executing it. Now say suppose when we are going for executing it, here we are having the run file command. So it is triangular type, green in color. Let us click that one. So it is asking enter the first name. So as it is user defined, now I am entering say Anmol. Okay, and then it is asking about the last name. I am entering classes. So after this, hello Anmol classes, you just delved into Python. So it is asking enter the first name. So we have entered the first name as Anmol. Enter the last name. We have entered the classes. So it is telling hello Anmol classes. So Anmol and classes, it is stored in the form of string. So string first, then string second. You just delved into Python. So in this way, the first and second question of the first assignment is successfully executed. Thank you.